Need to separate egg yolks from their whites? Nothing could be simpler. Keep a full hot water bottle in the kitchen at all times. Keeps food warmer for longer. Toilet blocked? Try this method using a plastic bag. And no splashback. With a couple of adhesive hooks, your trash can will look much tidier. What a great hack! Ring too big? Check out this hack. Ingenious! It won't slip off. Here's a way to make perfect donuts. Beautiful and delicious. Has the oil separated from the peanut butter? Use an electric mixer. Perfectly mixed again. Put dishwashing liquid into ice cube molds and then into the freezer. Now, you'll have DIY detergent tablets to remove even the most stubborn grime. What a pain! Use an apple cutter. Perfect wedges in a jiffy.